Every time I touch a button on this in-dash receiver, I hear that beep tone. Maybe you want to hear the beep tone, maybe you don't. In this video, I'll show you how to switch it off. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may be a 1-DIN model or a 2-DIN model and may or may not have a built-in CD player, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer Audio in-dash receiver models: MVH-S320BT and 322BT. MVH-S420BT, MVH-S522BS, MVH-S620BS and 622BS, MVH-S720BH-S, DEH-S 4200BT and 4220BT, DEH-S 5200BT, DEH-S 6200BS and 6220BS, DEH-S 7200BHS, FHS 520BT, FHS 720BS, and 722BS. So every time I touch a button on this in-dash receiver, I hear that beep tone. That confirms for me from the radio that I've touched a button. Maybe you want to hear that, maybe you don't. In my system, I don't want to hear that, so I'm going to switch the beep tone off. So we're going to go to the System menu and press Enter, and roll along here until we find beep tone. There it is. Beep tone is on right now. Press in on the volume control to switch beep tone off. That's all there is to it. Now, when we press a button, we don't hear that beep tone anymore.